He who stretched out the skies and adorned the cosmos with his mighty acts. He who is big enough to rule his mighty universe and control the wide and vast domain. In Psalms 19, 1 to 4, it says, "The heavens declares the glory of God, and the skies showing his mighty handiworks. Day after day they pour forth speech, and night after night they reveal knowledge. They have no speech, they use no words, no sound is heard from them, yet their voice goes out into all earth, their words to ends of the world." Likewise in Jude 26 verse 7 also says, "He stretched out the north over an empty space, and hung it the earth upon nothing." This video will take you on a fascinating journey, exploring the size of the earth, the solar system, the Milky Way galaxy, the universe, and ultimately, the size of His love.